we're diving into the fascinating history of keyboards. From their humble beginnings as typewriters to the high-tech gaming keyboards we use today, the evolution of keyboards has played a crucial role in how we interact with technology. So, let's take a journey through time and explore this incredible story. Our story begins in the early 19th century with the invention of the typewriter. The first practical typewriter was patented by Christopher Latham Scholes in 1868. It featured a QWERTY layout, which was designed to reduce jamming between mechanical arms. This layout became the standard for typewriters, and it's still in use today. As typewriters gained popularity, they revolutionized written communication. No longer did people have to rely on handwriting. They could produce clear, uniform text at a much faster pace.